I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your SIM card can feel daunting, but it is actually pretty straightforward. Here is how to do it without losing your service. Step 1. Prepare your new SIM card. Before activation, use the eSIM link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Backup your data. Before you swap out your SIM, back up any important data on your device. This includes contacts, messages, and any other essential information. Step 3. Turn off your device. Power down your phone completely before removing the old SIM card. This helps prevent any potential damage to your device or the SIM card itself. Step 4. Remove the old SIM card. Locate the SIM tray on your device. Use the SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to gently pop out the tray. Remove the old SIM card and insert the new one, ensuring it is seated properly. Step 5. Power on and test. Turn your device back on and check if it recognizes the new SIM card. You should see signal bars and be able to make calls. If not, you may need to adjust your network settings. If you run into any issues, sometimes simply toggling airplane mode on and off can help your device recognize the new SIM. Good luck with your SIM change.